Have you ever wondered what's really inside your belly? Not just the stomach or some intestines. Inside your abdomen lies a whole complex system, the digestive system. Let's take a tour. First, we see the liver, the largest organ in your abdomen. It works like a factory, filtering blood, processing nutrients, and producing bile. Right beneath it is the gallbladder, a small green sac that stores bile and releases it to help digest fats. On the left side sits the stomach, a muscular bag that churns food with strong acid, turning it into a liquid mix. Hidden just behind the stomach is the pancreas, the quiet chemist of your body, releasing enzymes and insulin. And here, on the upper left, is the spleen, often forgotten but vital as a blood filter and a warehouse for immune cells. After leaving the stomach, food travels into the small intestine. This tube, about 6 meters long, is where most nutrients are absorbed into the blood. What remains then moves into the large intestine. Here, water is reabsorbed, bacteria help break down fibers, and waste is formed into stool. At the beginning of the large intestine sits a tiny pouch called the appendix. Once thought to be useless, we now know it helps support the immune system. So together, the liver, gallbladder, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, and appendix form a perfectly coordinated production line. From the very first bite of bread to the final moment of elimination, every organ has its own unique role. Your abdomen is not just an empty space. It is a living biological machine working tirelessly every second to keep you alive. If you enjoyed this journey inside your belly, don't forget to like and subscribe for more secrets of the human body.